Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluent English Pod, where we help you train your mind to think in English and speak fluently. I'm Dave with our co-host Emma.
Hey, we're so glad you're here.
Today we're diving into some super common, everyday phrases that'll make you sound more fluent and natural in no time. These are the kinds of expressions you'll hear in real-life conversations, whether you're chatting with friends, coworkers, or even strangers. They're the secret sauce to sounding like a native speaker.
Exactly. No textbooks, no stress, just real English you can use right away. So, how many times have you heard someone say, "What's up?" and thought, "Wait, how do I even respond to that?"
It's such a casual phrase, and if you're not used to it, it can catch you off guard. Or maybe you've heard phrases like hit the hay or in the loop and wondered, what does that even mean?
Yeah, I've talked to so many learners who say they understand formal English but feel completely lost in casual conversations. Like, they know how to say, "How are you?" but not the everyday slang or phrases people actually use. It's like they've learned one language for the classroom and then step into the real world and hear a totally different one.
And that's exactly what we're here for today. We're sharing real-life, everyday phrases that'll make you sound more fluent and natural. No stress, no pressure, just practical English you can start using right away. All right, let's jump into our first phrase. What's up? You've probably heard this a million times, right? But what does it really mean, and how do you respond?
It's super casual. It's like saying, "How are you?" but even more relaxed. You'd use it with friends, family, or people you're comfortable with. It's not something you'd say in a formal setting like a job interview, but it's perfect for everyday chats.
For example, imagine you're walking into a cafe and you see a friend. You could say, "Hey, what's up?" It's just a friendly way to say hello and check in. It's like saying, "Hey, what's going on in your life right now?"
Oh my God, Ray Green?
And the cool thing is, the response can be as simple or as detailed as you want. If someone asks you, "What's up?" you could respond with something like, "Not much, just hanging out," or "just taking it easy." It's really flexible.
Let's try it, shall we, Emma? Hey, Emma, what's up?
Not much, Dave. Just thinking about what to have for dinner. You?
Same here, I'm craving pizza.
Now I want pizza too. See how easy that was? It's just a natural back and forth.
And that's the beauty of it. You don't need to overthink it. Just go with the flow. And if you're feeling brave, you can even be the one to start the conversation. Walk up to a friend and say, "Hey, what's up?" and see where it takes you.
This makes perfect. All right, let's keep the momentum going. Next phrase, hit the hay. This one's fun. It means to go to bed or go to sleep.
It's a super casual way to say you're calling it a night. Like if you're tired after a long day, you might say, "I'm going to hit the hay."
Wait, Lily, why don't I just...
It's 8:45. Time to hit the hay.
All right, next up, in the loop. This phrase means being informed or up to date about something.
For example, if your team is working on a project and you want to make sure everyone knows what's happening, you could say, "Let's keep everyone in the loop."
Example, "Hey Dave, did you hear about the new changes to the schedule?"
I didn't. Can you keep me in the loop?
Of course, I'll fill you in later.
Right. Now, let's talk about on the fence. This one means you're undecided about something, like you're not sure which side to choose.
Example, if someone asks you, "Do you want to go to the beach or the park?" and you can't decide, you could say, "I'm on the fence about it."
Hey, Emma, are you coming to the party tonight?
Still on the fence. I might just stay in and relax.
Enough. Let me know if you change your mind.
Next phrase, break the bank. This one's about spending a lot of money, usually more than you planned.
If you're shopping and you see something really expensive, you might say, "I love it, but it'll break the bank."
Example, "Hey Dave, have you seen the price of those concert tickets?"
Yeah, they're insane. I'd love to go, but it'll totally break the bank.
Same here. Maybe we'll find something cheaper.
Fingers crossed. Now, let's move on to spill the tea. This is a fun one. It means to share gossip or juicy information.
For example, if your friend knows something exciting and you want to hear all about it, you could say, "Come on, spill the tea."
Example, "Hey Emma, I heard you had some big news. Spill the tea."
All right, I got a promotion at work.
No way, that's amazing. Congrats.
Thanks. I'm really excited. All right, next up, under the weather. This phrase means you're feeling sick or unwell.
For example, if you wake up with a cold, you might say, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today.
Now, as well as Mr. Sloman being off today, I'm afraid Ash is feeling a little bit under the weather.
Now let's talk throw in the towel. This one means to give up or quit something.
For example, if you've been trying to fix something for hours and it's just not working, you might say, I'm throwing in the towel.
Example, hey Emma, how's that puzzle going?
Ugh, I'm throwing in the towel. It's way too hard.
Same here, let's just watch a movie instead.
Sounds like a plan. Next phrase, bite the bullet. This means to face a difficult situation or do something you've been avoiding.
For example, if you've been putting off a tough conversation, you might say, I just need to bite the bullet and get it over with.
Example, hey Dave, have you talked to your boss about the raise yet?
Not yet, but I know I need to bite the bullet and do it soon.
You've got this, Dave.
Thanks. I'll let you know how it goes. All right, last phrase for today. Cut to the chase. This means to get straight to the point without wasting time.
For example, if someone is telling a long story and you want them to skip to the important part, you could say, can you cut to the chase?
Example, hey Emma, what happened at the meeting?
Long story short, we got the project approved.
Nice. Thanks for cutting to the chase.
No problem. We've covered so many useful phrases you can start using in your daily life.
Whether you're spilling the tea, feeling under the weather, or just trying to cut to the chase, these are the kinds of phrases you'll hear all the time in real conversations.
The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. All right, Dave, we've talked about some awesome phrases today, but now it's time to put them into action. Let's do a fun little segment called Fun with Words.
Oh, I love this. It's like a mini quiz, but way more fun. We'll give you some sentences with blanks, and you'll fill them in with the phrases we've learned today.
Are you ready? Here's the first one.
I heard you had some big news. Come on, blank.
What's the phrase for sharing gossip or juicy info?
Pause the video and comment the phrase you think that will suit the blank. So, is it spill the tea? That's right. So the sentence would be, I heard you had some big news. Come on, spill the tea.
Shall we try another one, Dave?
All right, here's the next one.
I've been trying to fix this printer for hours, but it's just not working. I think I'm going to blank.
Ooh, this one's about giving up. What's the phrase?
It's throw in the towel. So the sentence would be, I've been trying to fix this printer for hours, but it's just not working. I think I'm going to throw in the towel.
Amazing job. How'd everyone do? Did you get them all right?
The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English listening and speaking practice.
We'd love to hear from you. Let us know which phrase is your favorite or if there's one you'd like us to explain. Drop us a comment of the new idioms you learned today.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.